There's a hidden loophole used by the wealthy, and it's making all the difference between success and failure. If you're trying to be wealthy, here's what they're doing behind closed doors. Years ago, a banker told me something I'll never forget. The rich don't raise children, they raise heirs. While we were busy chasing salary bumps and side hustles, they were buying apartment blocks in their children's names. They weren't playing the game to win once. They were building a scoreboard that reset every generation, higher, stronger, untouchable. A friend of mine inherited a portfolio on his 18th birthday. Not cash. Cash runs out. But a system, assets, trusts, tax shelters, and life insurance policies with one job: to grow, to protect, to pass on. That's generational wealth. It's not about being rich. It's about making sure no one in your bloodline ever has to start from zero again. The wealthy don't keep secrets because they're greedy. They keep them because they work. Follow for more. Your future self will thank you.